Okay, y'all. So we are at Mary Brown's Chicken for my Canadian friends. A little piece of home here for you. So we're in Ishkatun, which is between Mérida and Progreso. We're gonna try this out. They're building one in Cholul as well, eventually near the Wendy's that they're currently building. So we're just gonna try it out and see what it's all about today. Let's go. Yeah, their signature chicken. Let's see the type of sides they have. You got your taters poutine. And for your little kids. Okay. Okay, so I got me a biscuit and honey mustard. So the meal doesn't come with a biscuit or the drink. I got them separately because I don't like the coleslaw, and mashed potatoes here are usually boxed. You also have to pay for the dips separately. And I got the spicy chicken and potato wedges. This is the first time I've seen potato wedges here. I've got chicken tenders and regular fries. And Kendra got two chicken Marys. And she's bone-in. So I have to take the rest of this home where I can get some ranch because the spicy chicken is spicy. Oh my god, it's spicy. So yeah, we're gonna get some to-go boxes. I think they're gonna finish theirs here though, and then we're fixing to go.